how to add a countdown on your Instagram story. So it's real simple to add a countdown. So why don't we go to Instagram and we'll swipe over as if we're going to add something to our story. I'm just going to take a picture here. And you want to go to your stickers area at the far right side here. And you want to go and find where it says countdown. So once you're here, you can go ahead and I'm just going to type in Stranger Things here. And then you want to click on the timestamp here, and you're going to have an option to you can do anything you want here. You can set the month and the day and the year, but you can also change the specific minutes as well. As you see here, it says all day and it's toggled on. So we can toggle that off, and then your date changes where you can make it a specific time, AM, PM, and all those things, and really tailor it to what you need or any kind of countdown that you want to have. From that point, you can go ahead and hit share and then share it to your Instagram story like you normally would.